the generative AI has taken the category manager on that journey to identify the problem area, which was out of stocks, and then started to pull in store operations data, started to pull in supply chain data. Here you can see how, again, the Copilot has moved into a different direction and allowed the category manager to start asking questions about incremental sales from promotional activities. Again, the key use case for you to really bear in mind here is how quickly is the category manager able to start to reference these data sources. It's important you think of generative AI as almost an umbrella layer that sits on top of all of these systems. And we've worked with retailers on the global level that perhaps have different vendors operating their promotions, their assortment, their on-shelf availability, their price changes. CINDE can take that data from across all of them and enable a collaborative layer to sit on top. So the use case really is here is how can generative AI make a big difference? This is how, and this is live across our global client base today.
If you think of salads, you see sort of browning around the edges of the leaves when when products are going past their best. Meat, you see a slight sort of color change, and we can detect all of those things. Now imagine if you could do that not just with a store operative with a tablet device going around and taking captures, but you could do it with a fixed camera, and then you could connect all this to an electronic shelf label. Well, then you've just automated the whole problem. We're marking down our prices in real time according to the item freshness that we're detecting. And we're connecting that all together with the supply chain, with the electronic shelf label, and we're making the whole process much more efficient whilst reducing wastage at the same time.
Across retail, the predominant trend for generative AI, when we look at it, it's customer support. This comes in the form of support chatbots or aggregation and summarization of customer feedback and the responses that customers give. And then we summarize that to get the most important information. Other retailers are taking that a step further with conversational commerce. You might tell the chatbot you're hosting a dinner party. I've got 10 guests, different dietary restrictions, and the AI will recommend recipes, generate a shopping list, and cross-reference what you've already got at home with what's available in the store. Those summarizations of customer responses are also used in product development, informing the design of new flavors, product sizes, and packaging. And once you have those new products, AI is automatically creating marketing content to help get that message out to your customers and get them in the store. All of those use cases are built against general purpose AI in the form of large language models, or LLMs.